Welcome. If you want to transfer data from SHARP Aquos Sense2 to other Android smartphone, and first we have to go for the Play Store and get application to transfer data. And I can recommend you application name Send Anywhere. So let's get it. If you download this application, you can just simply open it like I did. And if you have any requests for the permission, you have to accept all of them. Of course, do the same on the second smartphone that you want to connect. And as you can see, we can send photos, videos, audio, apps, contacts if you grant the permission, and also other files. But it's only example, so at the first we have to be in the send mode on our Aquos Sense2. Then we have to select files that we want to send. I'm going to show you how it looks on the photos, but if you want to get a video or something like that, you have to simply click here and click send. After that, you have to move on your second device to receive and then input this key right here. And as you can see, the transfer is complete. So we can now try to check where it is, the files that we sent. I think it will be in the album, and yes, here we got these files. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.